Hello everyone! Here I am at my new job. Yesterday, at my first day of work.
No, that's okay. That's okay, really.
Yes, and now I have to record again.
No, I'm reading for my show.
Let's not talk about yesterday. Today is a new day. Today, I want to apologize to my coworkers. Hi, Anne. Are you busy?
Hi, Anna. Yes, at 10 a.m. I am writing. Every day I do my morning show. Sorry.
Okay. See you later. Maybe.
Maybe I'll see you later.
Hi, Jonathan. Are you busy?
Yes, I'm busy. When the studio light is on, I am recording my evening show.
Right. Sorry about yesterday.
No worries.
May I see the studio?
Maybe another time? Right now, I am busy.
Sure. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Are you busy?
Yes, I'm busy.
Hi, Amelia. Are you busy?
I'm a little busy.
I want to say I'm sorry for yesterday.
It's okay, Anna.
Well, I am sorry.
It's okay, Anna. Come by this afternoon.
Okay.
I am sorry.
It's okay.
Anna,
Yes, Miss Weaver.
are you busy?
Yes, Miss Weaver. I am busy.
My office, 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Come in.
A party! Awesome! And I still have my job. Phew. Until next time.
Apologizing. Americans often say they are sorry for bothering someone. Listen to Anna apologize. Notice her voice the second time she says she is sorry. Amelia accepts Anna's apology by saying, "It's okay."
I want to say I'm sorry for yesterday.
It's okay, Anna.
Well, I am sorry.
It's okay, Anna. Come by this afternoon.
Now you try it. Make your voice louder for M.
I am sorry.
Answer the apology. Say it is okay. It's okay.
Oh, hi everyone. Here in Washington, D.C., the weather changes often. One day is cold and windy, but the next day is warm and sunny. So every day I check the forecast. Hello, phone. What is today's temperature?
Today it is 18 degrees.
18 degrees? That is cold.
18 degrees Celsius.
Oh, Celsius. That is 65 degrees Fahrenheit. That's warm.
Yes, Anna, it is warm.
Excuse me, phone. Is it windy today?
No, it is not windy today.
Is it windy today?
No, it is not windy today.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, Anna, it is sunny.
Excuse me, phone.
Yes, Anna.
Is it snowy today?
No, Anna, it is not snowy.
Thank you, phone. Today, the weather is warm and sunny. Great for seeing Washington, D.C.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, it is sunny.
Phone, it is not warm and sunny. It is cold and windy and snowy.
Anna, it is not cold, windy, or snowy. It is warm and sunny in Mexico City, Mexico.
Oh, I see. Mexico. Washington weather changes often. Remember to check the forecast. The right forecast.
Yes, Anna. Next time, remember to check
Okay,
the
thank you,
forecast.
phone. Goodbye, phone. Until next time.
Yes, until next time.
Celsius. Celsius. Celsius means relating to or having a scale for measuring temperature on which the boiling point of water is at 100 degrees and the freezing point of water is at 0 degrees. Change. Change.
Change means to become different.
Check. Check. Check means to get information by looking at something, asking about something, etc. Cold. Cold.
Cold means having a very low temperature.
Degree. Degree. A degree is a unit for measuring temperature. Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit means relating to or having a scale for measuring temperature on which the boiling point of water is at 212 degrees above zero and the freezing point is at 32 degrees above zero.
Forecast. Forecast. A forecast is a statement about what you think is going to happen in the future. Phone. Phone. A phone is a device that is connected to a telephone system and that you use to listen or speak to someone who is somewhere else. Snowy. Snowy.
Snowy means having falling snow or covered with snow.
Sunny. Sunny. Sunny means having plenty of bright sunlight. Temperature. Temperature.
A temperature is a measurement that indicates how hot or cold something is.
Warm. Warm. Warm means somewhat hot, not cool or cold. Weather. Weather.
Weather is the temperature and other outside conditions, such as rain, cloudiness, etc., at a particular time and place.
Windy. Windy. Windy means having a lot of wind.
Hi, today my friend Ashley is coming over. I am showing her my new apartment. Oh, that's Ashley calling. Hi, Ashley.
Hi, Anna. I'm coming to your apartment. Where is your apartment?
My apartment is near the Columbia Heights Metro.
Listen.
Where is your apartment? Speak.
Listen. My apartment is near the Columbia Heights Metro.
Speak.
It is near the Columbia Heights Metro?
Yes, exit the metro and turn right. Then at the bus station, turn left. Then walk straight ahead.
Listen.
Yes. Exit the metro and turn right. Speak.
Then, at the bus station, turn left.
Then walk straight ahead.
Okay. Exit Metro, turn right, turn left, then go straight ahead?
Yes, my apartment is near a coffee shop.
Okay. See you soon.
Hi, Ashley.
Hello, Anna? Which coffee shop? There are 3 coffee shops.
Okay, my apartment is across from a big department store.
A big department store? Ah, I see it.
Okay, bye, Ashley. See you soon.
Okay. See you soon.
Ashley! 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 Over here! Donna! Donna! Hi! Oh. I love having my friends over. Come on. Hey. Ahead. Ahead.
Ahead means to or toward the place where someone is going.
Bus. Bus.
A bus is a large vehicle that is used for carrying passengers, especially along a particular route at particular times.
Coffee shop. Coffee shop.
A coffee shop is a small restaurant that serves coffee and other drinks, as well as simple foods.
Department store. Department store.
A department store is a large store that has separate areas in which different kinds of products are sold.
Exit. Exit.
Exit means to go out of a place.
Left. Left.
Left means located on the same side of your body as your heart.
Metro. Metro.
A metro is an underground railway system in some cities, also called subway.
Right. Right.
Right means located on the side of your body that is away from your heart.
Station. Station.
A station is a place where buses, trains, etc. regularly stop so that passengers can get on and off.
Straight. Straight.
Straight means in a straight or direct way.
Then. Then.
Then is used to indicate what happened or happens next.
Turn. Turn.
Turn means to cause your body or a part of your body to face a different direction.
Walk. Walk.
Walk means to move with your legs at a speed that is slower than running.
When we tell someone how to find a place, we say we are giving them directions. Listen to Anna giving Ashley directions.
Exit the metro and turn right. Then at the bus station, turn left. Then walk straight ahead.
Now you try it.
Exit the metro and turn right. Now, you try it.
Then at the bus station, turn left. Now you try it.
Then walk straight ahead.